too many clouds to stop it, to let it through. But I've got some fish in the sounder here. I don't know if they're snapper, mid-water, a lot of them. Decent, skinny lines, so I'm not actually sure what they are. Could be snapper. They're definitely like up high in the water column, which is a snapper are usually mid-water, probably not that high. And the rod hasn't gone off, so I don't know. Watch this space, see if something happens in a sec. Snapper time, big one, big snapper. And big tangle. Oh, it's a bluefin. Jeez, I hit him pretty hard. Little bugger. Alright, let's get him in, eh? Gotcha, little bugger. The nomad eating tuna. Whew. No front cam anymore. He fell off in the surf the other day. That'll do, I'm happy with that. Snapper. Look at that. Oh, that's a snapper. Perfect. See if I can catch him. He just keeps running. I've hit that drag and he still keeps going. I might have him under control here, maybe. I think I can back off a tiny bit. Oh, there's my other line. Don't like that, but I do like what's on the end of this line, which is a snapper, and I think quite a big one. On the nomad that never catches fish. And finally, I think he might. Well, he's hooked one. Can't complain about that. That's a dog. I'm gonna hook that line. I don't know that I care. Gotcha! You little blighter on those crappy nomad. That's broken. He's broken the nomad. Well, that is a one-time lure, that one. On that lure for a while. I've had a few good runs like that, but never get them in. But it's gone. $10 nomad. It's gone. Snapped. I'll show you that later on. More bait. I should be jigging that. Another snapper on top. Oh, maybe they're snapper. I'm not sure about those three there, but they're smaller if they're snapper. Yeah, that's good bait, eh? This is big too. Oh, it's another dog. Gotcha.